Morgan & International is pleased to offer you a new job position. A ultra-high net worth family is looking for an executive housekeeper to work with in their house in Arizona, in Scottsdale, and also in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. The housekeeper will work 5 months in Arizona and 5 months in Massachusetts. The candidate will have 2 months paid leave, usually 1 in October and 1 in May. The housekeeper will have to assist with the meals, the preparation of the meals, and also the setup of the table. In addition to that, the housekeeper will have to maintain the rest of the house. We are looking for someone who has a previous experience in the same position, who is used to shop vegetables, and someone who is also eligible to work in the United States. If you are interested by this position and you want to apply, please don't hesitate to click the link below. Thank you.
Enjoy this video, like it, and to be aware of our new job offers, subscribe and click the bell icon.